Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayindar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject Code 22633, Semester 6. Dear students, today we have to study regarding the practical of electrical substation and practices. Practical number 4th, prepare visit report of 33 by 11 kV substation and draw the layout diagram. Layout diagram is nothing but single line diagram representation of 33 by 11 kV substation. 33 by 11 kV substation. So which types of the transformer you have to require? Then here you have to require step down transformer. That step down transformer step down the voltage level 33 kV into 11 kV with the help of step down transformer. So that type of the transformer are used in 33 by 11 kV substation. So first things we have to see that why the need of 33 by 11 kV substation, why that type of the substation are the required. The power from the generating station is to be brought near to the town or the cities of the HV transmission line, high voltage transmission line. So that purpose 11 kV, 33 kV by 11 kV substation may be the required. For the generating voltage near about 3.3 kV, 6.6 kV or 11 kV from the generators. So need of 33 or 33 by 11 kV substation may be the required. For the economy, it is step up in the switch yard of the generating systems by the high capacity step up power transformer of 11 kV to 132 kV, 220 kV or 33 kV and so on. Power receiving in the receiving substation at 132 kV. Power is needed by the different consumer. It may be the bulk consumer that depends upon the big industry. Bulk consumer is also depends upon the township. So these are the different things are requirement of the 33 by 11 kV substation. Next, which are the main equipment are the required for 33 by 11 kV substation? Here the list of that equipment are the given. The major equipment in all substation as more or the less than the higher voltages and the higher rating equipment are the needed. So here the list of that equipment are the given. The main equipment in such substation are the required as the power transformer, then lightning arrestor, instrument transformer, HT fuse, isolator, insulators, control panel, relay systems, then station transformer, capacitive bank, battery charger and circuit breaker. So these are the different types of the electrical equipment are installed in 33 by 11 kV substation. Next, we have to see the details of the general diagram representation of 33 by 11 kV substation. So essential requirement of the higher voltage, the voltage as 33 or 66 kV substation, then this voltage level may be the required. Voltage level such as 33 kV or 66 kV voltage. Then main and the auxiliary transformer also required. Then earthing system may be the required. Then incoming and outgoing line which are connected in the 33 by 11 kV substation. So you have to require as the incoming and the outgoing line. Then control and the protection panel in the control room. Then HV and LV circuit breaker is also useful. Then that device is also required. Then metering panel, power and the control cable, then shunt reactor and the shunt capacitor, then fuse, overhead earth wire, surge arrestor or the lightning arrestor, then station servicing as the lightning arrestor and the auxiliary battery supply, then oil purifier, then compressed air systems, then current transformer as the city, telephone systems, fax and communication systems are also required to report the another substation. In case of the fault occur, then we have to easily report with the help of the telephone systems or the fax systems as well as the communication system to the another substation. In case of any fault occur or in case of any hazard develop in that electrical substation, then we can easily communicate to the another substation. Then radio internet also required. Then kilovolt substation in the outdoor substation and the open to the sky. So these are the different types of the general systems which are required for 33 by 11 kV substation. Next we have to see the general line diagram representation of the 33 kV substation. Here the overhead line of, or the cable is the connected. So this is the overhead line of 33 kV. On that overhead line, near to that lightning arrestor is the connected. The main function of the lightning arrestor is that which diverts high voltage towards the earth. As the one terminal of the lightning arrestor are connected to the overhead line and another terminal of the lightning arrestor are connected to the earth as shown in this diagram. So this is the single line diagram representation of 33 kV substation. There near to the lightning arrestor here CT is the connected. The main purpose of CT is to measurement of the current carrying capacity. So near to that CT one device is the connected as the relay. Then in case of the fault occur, then relay sense the fault and give command to the circuit breaker. Then the contact of circuit breaker isolate or disconnect. Here the discontinuity of the supply may be the take place due to the trip of the circuit breaker, and hence we have to provide the protection to the healthy parts of the power systems to isolate the faulty section. So here earthing switch is also connected. The main purpose of earthing switch is that divert the fault current towards the earth. Then next isolator. Isolator is nothing but the switch. It have the contact. If the both contact are the connected, then it carry the continuity of the supply. If contact are the open, then it discontinuity of the supplies take place. Next device, circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is the protective device in electrical power systems. The main function of the circuit breaker is that which make or break the circuit under normal and abnormal condition. This is the function of circuit breaker. Next, isolator is device also. If have the two contacts, if the both contact are the connected, then it carry the continuity of the supply. If contact are the open, it discontinuity of the supply. Next, bus bar. Bus bar is the source of which receive the incoming supply and deliver to the outgoing supply with the help of common point. So this is the common of which receive the incoming supply and deliver to the outgoing circuit. That is the main function of bus bar. So here bus bar is the connected. Then shunt capacitor and shunt reactor are fed to the bus bar systems, which diverts the main contact towards the earth, as the earthing are also fed to the shunt reactor and shunt capacitors. So this is the single line diagram representation of 33 by 11 kV substation. Here the main things is that the transformer is also required. So step down transformer which step down the 33 into 11 kV with the help of that step down transformer. So we have to make report of 33 by 11 kV with single line diagram representation, which are the main component of installed in 33 by 11 kV substation. Different types of the component are the connected, just like transformer, CT, circuit breaker, lightning arrestor, isolator, earthing switch, shunt capacitor, shunt reactor. So these are the different types of the component are the required in electrical substation. Okay, so you have to make the proper report of that substation. This report of electrical substation and the practices, you have to you have to prepare, and then you have to also study for the theoretical session also. Thank you, students.